welcome to day 13. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start painting the sides of our canvas. So we're going to need the two palettes, both the sky, the orangey colours, and the blue colours for the sea. I'm going to start off with the sky, and basically what I'm going to do is it's just really trying to match up the sides of the canvas to what you actually have on the canvas. So I'm just going to add in the colours here that I'm seeing already on the canvas. Painting the sides is great because it doesn't have to be perfect. It will usually look quite nice no matter what you do. So just try and match it up as best as possible to what you have already in your painting. Just mixing the colours around, taking your lightest orange, your darkest orange. And if any part gets on the front of the canvas, don't worry, just blend it in with your finger. Or even take your blending brush as well if you want to. And we're going to do the exact same thing for the sea. So okay, so what we need to do is make an extension of two of the waves. So we had the one wave here, and I'm just going to bring it along using black. Bring it along like this. Just kind of create some of the same movements as the wave. And then for the one in front, I'm just going to take some of my lightest blue, and I'm just going to recreate that wave, so the same movements. Now that we've already created the wave, it's a lot easier to do this. So just matching it up along. So it's coming down here and going down here. And then down here we just had some movements in the water. So I'm going to switch back to my straight edge brush. I'm going to take a lighter color, and I'm just going to go along in the same way with the movements for the water. Something like this. And same thing as well for the water that's closer to the horizon. So adding in your highlights just as I'm going. Adding in some highlights into this wave. And I want to add in some black, some of my darkest black with the blue, just to create some movements in the water here. And if you ever use too much paint, again, just make sure that you put your paintbrush into water, take off the extra paint, and then just keep going. Okay, and then just adding in some highlights into the water. This can really be again with any brush you want to use. Making the wave come in here. Just mixing our blues together. Our different color blues for the sea, and adding in our highlights and our shadows. A few more highlights. Okay, make sure that if you're using your blending brush that there's no paint on it. Here my blending brush was wet. I probably had left it in the water. So I can't blend with it. That's fine. Yeah, and when you're painting there's no stress because you can just paint over whatever you do. So I'm just going to go over these and just pretend they're highlights in the water. Okay, coming. So look, even something simple like that, straightforward, is enough. What I'm going to do is the next video is move on. Timer's going off. So what I'm going to do in the next video is move on to the next side and continue along with this. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.